Auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Assalamu alaikum guys. My name is Muhammad Aryan Ali and today we will learn about how to download CentOS on system. So how to download I will teach you in this video. So first of all open your any browser. Like here I have opened my browser. Then here search VirtualBox. VirtualBox like this. Then click the first link, official link of VirtualBox, www.virtualbox.org. Go to this website and then download the latest version. This latest version is 7.0. So we have to download the latest version. So go to this downloads option. Then here scroll down and here you can look Windows. Click here and then select where you want to save. I will click. So now my VirtualBox setup is downloading. I have already downloaded, so I will not download it. Once you download the VirtualBox, then open it. We learned the concept of virtualization that now we are going to do in practical. So I will open it. My VirtualBox is getting started. So as you can see it started. Here is my CentOS. I will create a new machine. To create a new machine, go to here machine. Option would be in your VirtualBox it would be no these options. So don't be worried because I have added this myself. Go to machine, then click to the new like this. Then name it CentOS. In name place write CentOS like CentOS like this. And then just simply click next. I will cross it and I will do it seems cannot overwrite. So yeah, I have created already. I will create another folder on this that I will create a folder. Here you can create a folder anything, like here I will give VMs. In this I will save. You have to make a folder and then save your CentOS in that. So here we have to give it 4 GB memory. If you have a 4 GB computer, so you can give 2 GB, but 8 GB RAM is recommended, but you can use on 4 GB RAM too. And we have to give it 2 processors. So I will do next, and then just default 20 GB storage we have to give it, and then next finish. So now our this is created. So now click this start button. I will click it. It is getting start now. So it will just take to 1 minute like this. So I will tell you that what is CentOS. CentOS is an operating system. We don't have any user interface like Windows have icons, graphics. This CentOS don't have that. In this we write our code and it's used for cloud. So now it's opened here like this. One option will come. Its meaning is that we didn't have put any ISO image. So go to this arrow option and click to others. It is a 4 GB CentOS file which I will give you the link. I will give you the link in description or comment box. This is the image CentOS-7 4 GB file. I will open it and I will click mount and retry boot. So it's getting now. I will give you the media file link of downloading this CentOS file. So you can easily download from there. So I will increase the size. So now you have to use the arrow key and go to install CentOS option. Then click enter. Then you have to wait here for a while. Here I will wait. It will start processing. So it's getting now. We will wait. It is like a blue screen. It's not hanged. It is showing in the center. So don't be worried of this. It is normal. So it's getting now. So as you can see, it's came. It's not any error. It's uh, CentOS part. So we will wait. So it's getting now. As you can see, it started. Now it will complete. Then I will tell you what to do next. As you can see, welcome to CentOS Linux core. It is a CentOS. It's a Linux one edition like Windows 11, 12, like this Linux CentOS 7. CentOS 9, CentOS 8 are two. There are some advanced, but we will use CentOS 7. It is too very good for cloud. So now like this interface, like come starting installer, one moment will come here. You can forward the video to, if this part is some lengthy, you can forward it. So like this interface will open. Anaconda file is downloading in our CentOS. Anaconda is the main file of CentOS. Now it's getting. Now it will start and user interface option will come here. Just for now it will come, user interface will come here, and then it will not come. Like as you can see, my cursor is, I will click here so I can control this cursor, but I can't come out of this machine. That's meaning is I can't use my window. So what you can do, press right control when you will press. So as you can see, I can now go to my any, I can use my window here. When you will click, so it will come back to this Linux. So like this we can use to move from the machine. So as you can see, like this user interface will come. Just simply select English and continue. Here is continue, you have to click here. So now it is getting processed. You can select your own national language too. So now here we have to wait for a while when this white color background will go from up of these both options. So just you can first, before until they are getting, we should click here, this one option, click, and then just done, just click and done. Then that triangle sign was coming, that will not come. This one triangle sign will now remove, like now it's getting processed. So it's getting now. We will wait here. It is some slow because it's very heavy operating system, that's why, but it will work in the low end PCs too. It's very much light for PCs, but in weight it's very heavy. Minimum just 1 GB, it's not very heavy in weight too. So I will click here, done. Now this software selection is, click here and select this minimum install. By default it would be selected, but maybe in your case anything else is selected. So select this minimal install and then click done. Then here one option will come, begin install, click here. So now you have to click here in root password and just give your password root. Don't give anything else. You can give anything else too, but you will forgot. That's why just simply give ROOT in small. In Linux you can't see your password, so be careful to write your password ROOT, root. I will give my password and I will click here, done. Then I will click again done because it will say it's too short, but we can again click to complete the process. And here it is saying starting package installation. This can take 5 minutes, so we have to wait here. So it's installing all that programs which we can do, and everything it's doing here. So we have to wait here. So it's getting now. Here then options like out of how much it will come now. Here 300 something files are there, it will get downloaded. So we will wait until. As you can see, 304 files are in file 6, 7 files are getting download like this. So when you will download it, so like this interface will come. So you have to click reboot option, like here, click reboot. Then your CentOS will get restarted. So we will wait. It is getting now. So now it's started. Now it's getting restart. It's not any glitch. It is like just CentOS has some issues. Like this now. It is getting. It's near to start now. It's working. Now as you can see, there is a bar. It's when it will complete, our CentOS will start. Sorry guys for that noise. That was. Just ignore that sound. Okay, now. Here you have to log in. So write root. If you have kept your password that side root, then you can come with me. Otherwise, maybe you feel some face some issues. So write root, and now write again root. In password you can't see anything, so I will write ROOT. So I will write now it's processing. As you can see, now I can access everything. Now here if I write ls, like as you can see, I can write my all commands. So first we will learn that how to make a directory. Directory meaning folder. Like here, if I will do ls is a command meaning list. So here's an list is coming, anaconda ks.cfg. Just this is coming. Now when we will make our folder, so in this one of my folder name will to come, like I will write mkdir. I have to write mkdir then space and then my folder. It's a short form of make, mk make, and dir directory. Make directory, my like folder name what I will keep, like I will keep Aryan. I will press enter. Now when I will do ls, so as you can see my directory is came. If you want to make a file, then write touch and then file name like Aryan1, like this. Now write ls. So as you can see, my file Aryan1 is to came. And if you want to look the information that when this folder was created and which permissions are on it, so you have to write ll, like this, double L. So everything will come here, like root, like all my this and when they were created. This is the time of Linux 12:45, but otherwise I'm making this video at 9:55. It's the time now, but of Linux it is showing like this. So in next videos we will discuss about detail of this. We will learn more commands and more things. So thank you guys. This video only this much. We will meet next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.